Hi guys, in this video we will see what are the important iPhone new features after iOS 18 update. If you have already updated your iPhone with iOS 18 update, then some features you don't know. Here we will discuss, and the first one is flashlight. You can easily change your flashlight configuration, change size, brightness on your flashlight and drag it from the downward or upward, and you can change its size from downward to upward. It will brightness or dims, and you can easily change its size, and from left to right or right to left its width. The second one is control your app through swipe. Open any app, and if you want to change any settings of this app, then simply swipe down and you will find a app control. Simply tap on this control and you can easily edit, change settings of your app from this swipe down directly. For example, we have taken FaceTime app. You can choose any other app as per your choice, and you can easily change its. The next one is go to settings of your iPhone, and here tap on battery. After iOS 18 update, you can change your battery charging limit. In previous, you will have only one option, 80%. Now it will change 80%, 85%, 90%, 95%, and 100%. Simply drag the slider from left to right to increase your battery charging limit, 85%, 90%, and change charge limit. Allow until tomorrow. So you can set 100% charging for one day only. Choose allow until tomorrow, and you can see charge limit will return to 80% at 6 a.m. So only 24 hours you can change this position, and it will bring back to your 80% charging limit from one day. This is the new feature, charging limit. You can change it from optimized battery charging also. The next one is calendar. Open calendar app in your iPhone. A new look of calendar app you will find. Simply open calendar app and simply zoom in and zoom out, and you can see all details of date you will find. You will zoom out, you will see calendar event you will find. Zoom in and zoom out. This feature is exclusively available for iOS 18 update. And also a feature, tap on this icon and compact, stacked, details and list. You will choose stacked, then it will change size. So three other changes also available here: compact, stack, details and list. This is the new look of your calendar app of your iPhone. Tap on details and you will find a details of your calendar look. The next one is unlock your iPhone, and here go to settings of your iPhone, tap on settings, and here go to accessibility, tap on it, and here scroll down and tap on audio and visual, tap on it, and here you will find the option power on and off sound. You can easily power on and off sound from this feature. Turn on to this feature, turn off this feature from here. Under audio and visual, you can easily turn on or off power on or off button of your iPhone. The next feature is go to search and open calculator app. A new look of your calculator app you will see under iOS 18 update, three basics, and you can also set convert mode on top of your calculator app. Simply enable the convert mode and you can see a convert mode is on your main page of your calculator. Simply gram to kg. If you put any value, it will automatically convert into gram to kg. Some other feature also available, centigrade, Fahrenheit, metric, and other feature also available here. So this is the new look of feature. Speed, temperature, time, volume, all specific features are available here. Simply gram to milligram, you can convert your unit. Simply type kg to milligram. And scientific calculator also available. Simply tap on scientific. This feature will also available in previous version of update, and you can change other feature also. Scientific calculator, change your version, all other scientific calculator list here, and speed, temperature, many feature you can change. So you can turn off converter and you can turn on converter also from bottom left corner. You can also check mathematics, scientific, math table, all other feature are also available in new calculator app of your iPhone after iOS 18 update. Simply math table also available. You can search or choose anyone and go to basic, and here go to turn on convert, and you can easily convert centigrade, temperature also, a lot of angle, area, currency, all will be changed automatically. The next one is tap on, you can easily record your call, make a call to any member, and you can see after as soon as the receiver receive your call, a icon from the top left corner will activate, and you can simply tap on it and your call will record. Call recording feature. Call recording feature was not available under iOS 17 update and our previous update. So under iOS 18 update, you can record a call. Simply tap on top left corner icon. This call will be recorded, and take notes on this call. This call will be saved on your notes app. Tap on this notes app and your all recorded call recording will saved in notes app.